back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking you through the makeup look I shared in my recent Get Ready With Me. All products used will be listed below in the description box. First, I begin by moisturizing and priming my skin. Now I'm setting my primer for a matte and long-lasting look. Now that my skin is prepped, it's time to apply my foundation. I'm using one of my favorites, Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Foundation. Now it's time to highlight and conceal, which is essential in brightening up the center of my face. Now on to brows, just filling in and shaping my brows. FYI guys, this footage is not sped up. This is how quickly I apply my makeup. Now setting my concealer with a brightening powder. So I use the brightening powder to set the highlighted points on my face. Then I use my regular powder to set everything else and make sure it is blended nicely. Now on to the eye look. I use a base to prep my eyelids for the eyeshadow. While that sets, I quickly contour my nose. I'm using one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, Natasha Denona Glam palette. I'm creating a sultry, smoky eye look using neutral colors. The key to a polished eye look is blending, so make sure you blend, blend, blend. I finish up my eye look with eyeliner and my favorite mascara. Again, all products used will be listed below. Now on to my favorite step in creating a glam look is bronzer. So I'm definitely using lots of bronzer to warm up my face. Now finishing up the look with one of my favorite red lipsticks. And there you have it. That's my completed glam look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.